Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Right behind me, I've got a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, HID headlights. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera, and the CX-5 is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.